Morning, back on the job. I just we're gonna do the flagging today. We've got a few bits, so we've got some MOT to put down, or crush and run as I call it. It's quite alright, this stuff. I think it's about 20 odd mil. That's a bit bigger like, but crushed limestone anyway. Yep, so it's a nice morning again. It's going to be another hot day, and yeah, I'm just walking down there now. And when I took this job on, I rang them up the day before because it was just a little fitting job. I'm just expecting I could get everything, and it's not happening that way. I rang up builders merchants. He's got no flags. I've had to pick hardcore up. We've had to pick hardcore up herself. Gonna have to pick all the flags up herself from somewhere else. I've spent all day yesterday like ringing around for these few concrete flags and what have you. But yeah, it's just a nightmare. Just a nightmare getting on at stuff. He says, "Oh, I've got cement in." It's no good, is it? If you've got no flags to lay them on, like, oh god. So yeah, it's gonna be a bit of an hassle. I'm gonna have to start sorting jobs out. I think a couple of weeks before I get round to doing them and just get out of gear there. I think otherwise I'm just going to be, I think up to now I'm just going to be going and doing one job, maybe starting 2 jobs, you know, little ones, 1 or 2 jobs at a time, and just turning up when gear turns up. It's just a bit of an hassle at the minute, but it's going to be a good day anyway today. We've got to barrow that stuff down, and yeah, let's crack on. Well, that's that path, isn't it? There, so you put it.
Oh yeah, it needs to scrape back a bit then, doesn't it?
Yeah. Are we going round this tree then with flags?
It looks of it, yeah. You just do a square around it, isn't it?
We're gonna need some more.
Oh yeah. Hell of a lot more.
Pick some more up then, eh?
Yeah. Oh yeah, shitload, aren't we? What are you reckoning? Another ton and 8?
Huh?
What are you reckoning? Another ton and 1/2? Not half more, I've got no one.
Just picked up some more gear, got some cement, a bit more crush because we run out, and then sand. We've got building sand, and we're going to put some sharp sand in. We're going to do a mix of both, and then whack her. So we'll get this to get crush out first, and then we'll get whacking, put a mix on, start laying some flags. Hey! Yeah, so just pick whacker up. These cost me 32 quid for a day, 45 foot week, something like that. I always get charged different because I always use their petrol. You could top it up and they'll knock your petrol off, but it's not really worth it, to be fair. So I just use their petrol and let them fill it up. gone over it a few times, raked it about a bit, got it as level as we can. So it drops off from there to here, so it'll just run down a bit. It's just running down a bit here, but we're going to put the shed here. The shed's going to go here, and we're just going to let it in this, and we're pretty, what we got there, how far out are we? We are about, if I lift that end up level, 10 mil that way, and then this end, we're not far off at all, probably 10 mil again. So we're only 10 mil out of a lot, so we shouldn't use a lot of cement, which is good. I think I may have put a little bit too much water in that one. God. We've got two tubs of plots there. Can't get it perfect every time, can you?
No, you certainly can't.
There we go.
Take two.
Yeah, well, we got there in the end. Right, let's lay some flags. Just trying to get these level, so shed goes on it easy. That's it, first one in. So we're just dotting and dabbing these down. If it had been Indian stone or whatever, yeah, I would have been putting full beds under, but with this only been a shed base and we're trying to do it on a budget, we're just going to dot and dab. But by the time, to be fair, by the time I've got all this lot down, and then you've tapped your flags down, there's not much of a gap anyway. Pretty near enough for full beds. What is wide as this one?
No, they're all like that. It's like 5'11", isn't it?
So this is the last one of the old flags, and they just go under the shed, and then what we'll do is when we pick them new ones up, we'll put the new ones where you can see them. So, and then these old ones where you can see them, because these will go under the shed. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the whacker back, get that back to hire shop, and MKM's at Cider where that is. So we're going to measure up, get the rest of these flags, see how many we need, and we're going to pick them up today, drop them back off. That'll be end of day, and I shall see you in the morning and we'll get this finished off. So we picked them flags up yesterday, it's the next day, another day, another dollar. Also brought along a little helper. Yes. So right, let's get this job finished off and get these flags laid. Tomorrow, we're doing a bit of mini digging. I'm on a mini digger tomorrow, digging out for a little garage. So We need to get this, make sure we get this done, because I've already ordered a digger. Right, see you in a bit. Little mixer for a little job. So it's 4 and 1 that, 2 building sand, 2 sharp sand, 1 cement. That's what mix we're using for these flags. Out. What are you doing? You been rolling in poo? Huh? You been rolling in poo? So that's it, we got done. Put some bark right edge, just done some little corner cuts for it, just to make it look a bit smarter. Then shed will sit on there, look. So it should look pretty good. So hopefully they're happy with it, because I'm not sure whether they wanted flags there or what. I'm not sure. We just got like a rough idea, but I'm sure there will be. I'm sure it'll be fine. Right, so we're going to be digging out tomorrow with a mini digger, starting a garage, little garage. So yeah, I shall see you in the next one. So what do you reckon then of that flagging job? Alright, what do you think? Huh? Nothing? Oh well. I'm not sure, we just got like a rough idea, but I'm sure there will be. I'm sure it'll be fine. Right, so we're going to be digging out tomorrow with a mini digger, starting a garage, little garage. So yeah, I shall see you in the next one.